Hi and welcome to Morgoths Media. Well, today I'm going to be trying this, which is the Italian stack from McDonald's. Let's give this a go, shall we? Let's have a look in there, see what we've got. So we've got a nice, lovely posh brioche bun, looks like. We've got some sort of tomatoey. It smells like bolognese, to be fair. Like a bolognese kind of sauce. You've got the cheese in there, you've got the lettuce. Let's get amongst it, shall we? You've got the two burgers in there, the two patties. And you've got that posh lettuce. Let's give it a go, shall we? See what it's like. Let's get in there. Well, here we go. Oh yeah, that's lovely. That's beautiful. We've got a thick meat, a thick patty, two of those. Got a lovely cheese, like, I don't know if it's Swiss cheese or what, that's lovely, look at that. Italian cheese, it must be. It wouldn't be called Italian stack, would it, otherwise? Duh. And like a lasagna sauce, like a lasagna spaghetti bolognese sauce on top of that. The bun's lovely, holds well in your hand. That's lovely, that is. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. 100% do this, get this, wonderful. Highly recommend this one. Italian stack. Well done, McDonald's.